Hey, what's up guys, in this video we're going to talk about operator overloading in C++ programming. Operator overloading is where we can specify more than one meaning for an operator, and the main purpose is to provide special meaning for an operator for user-defined data type. And the syntax to overload one operator is that first we have the return type, then the operator keyword, and then the symbol of the operator we wanted to overload, and after that the function can take arguments, and then inside the curly braces we write the code to overload the operator. And there are two types of operator overloading: unary operator overloading and the binary operator overloading. So first we're going to talk about the unary operator overloading. So the unary operator are those operators which has only one operand, like an example the unary plus plus or the unary minus minus. So now we're going to see how we can overload the unary operator in our program. So in this example program we have one class called test, and the class has one data member A with the value 5. Now under the public access specifier we're going to overload the unary increment operator to work directly with the object of the class. So first we have the return type of the function, then the operator keyword, and after that the symbol of the operator we wanted to overload, and then inside the curly braces we're gonna write the code for our operator. The unary operator we're gonna use as prefix, so whenever the unary operator has been used as prefix, it will prefixly increase the value of the data member of the class. And then we have the display function, and the function will display the value of the data member of the class. Now inside the main method we're gonna create one object of the test class t1, and then because we have overloaded the unary increment operator, so we can directly use the increment operator with our object. So we can write plus plus t1, and then we can use the object and we can call the display function to display the value of the data member of the class. So now I'm gonna save the program and I'm gonna run the program, and you can see the value of the data member of the class has been increased by 1. So this is the way we can overload the unary operator in our program, and whenever we use that operator as a prefix to our object, then the function will be invoked and it will increase the data member of that class by 1. And also we can overload the unary operator whenever that is used as a postfix in our program. In that case the function will take one integer parameter, and of course we have to write a plus plus to post increase the value of the data member. Now inside the main method we're gonna create one object test t2, and then we're gonna write t2 plus plus, and after that I'm gonna call the display function. So now I'm gonna save the program and I'm gonna run the program, and you can see the value of the data member has been increased by 1. So this is the way we can overload the unary operator in our program to be used as a prefix or as a postfix, and this way we can use those overloaded operator directly with the object in the program. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.